or a jellyfish. I don't know what I'm doing. Hi guys, I'm Dr. Kayla, the dentist who can ask anything. Today, we're gonna talk about how you are afraid of me. Yes, we're talking dental anxiety.
Hi doctor, nice to meet you. I tell you first, I very hate dentist one. Usually auntie very fit and healthy one. Because auntie got do the yoga, auntie got do the speed walking. But every time I see the dentist, my blood pressure shoot up very high. I think I change appointment. Sorry doctor, tomorrow, see you tomorrow.
Dental anxiety, or the fear of seeing a dentist or getting dental treatments, is more common than you think. A lot of people suffer from tooth decay or gum diseases that not only cause them a lot of dental pain, but also affect the appearance of their teeth. This has led them to lose all confidence, and they don't even dare to smile, laugh, or even talk to their friends and family simply because they're too afraid of the dentist. In fact, all dentists are trained on handling patients with dental anxiety, and we are more than happy to help you overcome your fear towards us. If you have dental anxiety, please open up to your dentist on what you're afraid of. Is it this scary white coat we're wearing? Is it the fear of needles and drills and the anticipation of pain? Or you're just afraid of the idea of opening up your mouth to someone else? Being open about what you're afraid of helps us to identify and address your aspect of dental anxiety. We can help you with cognitive behavioral therapy, medications, or maybe incorporating sedation, or in some severe cases, general anesthesia, to help treat your dental diseases and make your dental visits more comfortable. On your side, you can try out some relaxation techniques, for example, breathing slowly and deeply during your dental treatment. If you're feeling very tense, you can imagine that all your muscles have relaxed and loosened and you're melted onto your dental chair like an ice cream or a jellyfish. If you're afraid of the sounds that are associated with your dental treatment, you can actually put on some earphones and listen to music or even watch movies that makes you feel happy. You're welcome to bring a friend or a loved one when you're visiting a dentist. You're allowed to hold onto their hand or even holding some comforting item, for example a pillow or a teddy bear, if it relaxes you during your dental treatment. Last but not least, find a dentist whom you're able to trust and be comfortable with. Remember, we are here to help you, and it makes us happy when we see you living with a happy smile. That's all from me today. I hope you learned something new and are no longer afraid of us. I'll see you next time. Bye!